Hey everyone, and thanks for watching today's video. I am so excited I finally got my Ergatta rower. First of all, I want to point out that this rower was going to be delivered and assembled as part of my purchase. However, due to there not being any assemblers in my area, Ergatta offered to send the unit straight to me ASAP, which I eagerly accepted. So I came home and look what I have on the porch. Water rower, Ergatta. And go with care. Here we go, 3 boxes just as they promised. Can't wait. I got one big box. I guess we know what this is. This will be the rails. Set it over here in the study. And let's see what else we've got. A single small box. Maybe the seat. I don't think it's the monitor. Set it here. And then the big box is coming. It's on the side, but we'll pick it up here. Watch out, son. Will it fit? Are you still filming?
You're not supposed to say son. But whatever, now everybody knows who's filming.
It's okay, I'm gonna put audio over it anyway. Okay, here we go. Thanks. I'm going to quickly just go through the install. I googled, quote, Ergatta assembly instructions, end quote, and found a video on the Ergatta website that fit perfectly for my need. Just watch how fast I get it together. Even though the instructions were very well laid out on the video, they were slightly different than my machine, so just be careful when you're putting yours together and double check all the settings and screws and etc. Okay, now that that's done, I first need to connect to the Wi-Fi, create an account, and then calibrate the machine. So it's a 2,000 meter calibration, and I thought, you know what, this won't be hard at all. However, it kicked my ass, and I am much more out of shape than I thought I was. Now that I've got that done, and I see how much difficulty I had with 2,000 meters, I decided to do 2,000 meters a day for the first couple weeks to try and get me caught up and level off some before I hit the competitive offerings. So that's it. Very easy to assemble and really simple to get started. 2,000 meters. I'm almost done. So first of all, I am blown away at the quality of the rower and how great it feels. It also looks amazing in my study. My 11-year-old son, who helped me film the opening sequence, jumped on and fell in love with it within minutes. This is definitely something we'll be using as a family for years to come. Thanks for watching, and tune in for my next video in the coming weeks that will cover kind of my first time use. Be healthy and stay safe.